Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we've got a Polo TDI Blue Motion. So this is the free road tax version. They do fantastic miles to the gallon. Really economical cars to insure, run, and maintain. So this is one previous owner. The last owner was one of our customers, local lady. She's just part exchanged it in. She just needed something a bit bigger. So the wheels are unmarked, got matching tyres on. We've done the cambelt and water pump, which was just due on time. She bought it as a VW approved car and the flywheel went, so the flywheel's been replaced and the clutch by VW. Got the false floor in it. And there is a spare wheel under there with a brand new unused tyre on, all the original paint codes, stickers. Very rare colour, this one, factory order. Brand new spare wheel. So it's got a full service history with it. It's HPI clear, as with all our cars. It'll be sold with 12 months MOT, the parts and labour warranty. This side's all straight and clean as well. Again, the wheels are unmarked. We've just done the back brakes in it and new drums. So the drums are brand spanking new. So factory aircon on this one. It's also got Bluetooth, music stream, multifunction steering wheel, electric windows all round. Mileage is only 66,826. There'll also be about 100 photos on the advert, or if there's anything you think we've missed or you'd like extra photos of, or you want to arrange a test drive or to come and have a look, then just give us a ring. We do viewing by appointment only, and that's just so that people don't have a wasted journey when they come and look at a car. Thanks for watching. Just give us a ring if you've got any questions.